Today, we're going to look at what types of applications that I have in my Vietnam phone. I have a translation service too. So here I type in English and I get Vietnamese. So for example, let's check if it works. Hello. If I type in hello. See? Xin chào. I may not be doing it correctly, but yes, so it shows up. So if I'm talking to a Vietnamese, then, and I don't know what to say in Vietnamese, then I can just show the screen to that person and that he or she can answer. Grab is a delivery service for everything. Oh, so they opened the taxi apps again. So it used to be closed due to the transportation laws here due to coronavirus. So the lockdown prohibited Grab from operating, but now they are open again. And then food delivery, that's also popular as well. Yeah, so it's like everything is just provided here. And no wonder this app is dominant in Vietnam. Here there is a Vietnamese app called Shark Market. It just sells a lot of the Korean goods as well as the local Vietnamese like high-end products. And it's really, really popular. Today is April 26th, Sunday, and actually today's my birthday. Here it is. It's pretty big. Let me open it, and this is a cute birthday gift from my child. It has a letter and certain presents in it. I don't know if I can actually have them, but ooh. Cereal. Korean style cereal. This is a really popular brand, organic brand. Yeah, this is like, I don't know in English, but 멸치 is like sardine, is it? I don't know the term for it, but it's a good side dish for people, Koreans. Oh, and there's a lot of curry too. Wow. See, the same brand. Hansalim is the best. I'm sure a lot of Korean moms agree with me. I love Hansalim. This is a selfie stick that I ordered. Yes, finally here. I'm gonna try it very soon. Selfie stick, remote, I guess. And my dress from Lang & Lu. I ordered it online once again, and it came. This is the dress that I got from the mail. Lang & Lu. I think it's their new collection. I really love this design. I have to choose out of, and there are slight differences. Recently there was a crime called Nth Room Incident. But basically what I do is I print out the script for each news, and I have to basically memorize from top to bottom for the entire script for each news, because I don't look at cue cards, I don't look at anything in between. So it's really it's a challenge because I'm not a news reporter, I'm not an anchor, so I'm just really checking out various virtual conferences, and through my vlog I will do a review and on what they're like and what I look for in these virtual conferences. And as an events organizer, I'm very, very dedicated to event organizing. Right now, I'm looking at the Coin One prices and Bitcoin. Well, not only Bitcoin, but everything is up. Yay! We're seeing, wow. Look at BSV. What's up? 11%. Wow, it's still going up. Yeah, by the way, I use Coin One mainly for my trades. I don't trade often, to be honest, but it's a very clean UI, and I just like using it. Simple and pleasant to look at. And by any means, I'm not sponsored by Coin One. You see a lot of red, and it's kind of bringing up life into the industry. So enjoy this moment, everyone. Ta-da! This is the final look. To be honest, I'm not satisfied at all. I think the vase is a little bit too wide for this flower. But the flower itself is pretty, and I had fun. This is a dalgona snack latte. This is the Korean popular drink, and I can drink this in Vietnam.